At Equitek, we can help you solve your filling, capping, and labeling challenges. When we start a project, it is important to define the scope that the equipment will have, as well as the conceptual engineering, which will set the goals in order to be able to meet your production demands. Before manufacturing starts, we must validate the layout with the general dimensions and the conceptual engineering that the project will have. With your approval, the detailed engineering, instrumentation, control systems, mechanisms, and the selection of materials begins. Our supply chain of materials and components for the manufacture of machinery is guided by the concept of global design. We select only global distribution components with the best quality on the market available that will allow us to easily refurbish and maintain your machines in any part of the world. We take great care in every detail, from welding, polishing, mechanical and electrical assembly, and software programming. We follow a tight equipment scheduling and inspection, essential to meet your quality requirements you expect. After completing the final assembly, a pre-test is realized, and after that, the FAT, or Factory Acceptance Test, begins. Once this test is approved, an engineering inspection is carried out to generate the correct documentation for your project, and the operation manual is created. At last, we prepare the equipment for shipping, packing it accordingly with its final destination, and we are ready to ship. Then we coordinate with you the shipping, installation, startup, and staff training to meet your packing challenges. More than 34 years, more than 2,000 satisfied customers, more than 4,000 machines guarantee our experience, quality, and commitment.